We are on to another Christmas decor project. I'm going to make little packages, fake packages out of this wood. I had a 7-foot piece and a 19-inch piece, so I can make 4 sets. Mostly they're 12 inches, 9 inches, and 6 inches for each set, except for what I had to shorten a little bit with the last little bit of wood. This is from old wood we had that was weathering under the deck for the last few years. The first step was to cut it with a compound miter saw after measuring it. Actually after sweeping it off because it was really dirty. The next step will be to give it a really light sand, and then I'm going to paint it and decorate them up, and I will take some pictures and videos of that process. So here are our packages all ready to be decorated. What I did was give each piece a sand after cutting them, and what I would do next time is I would sand the length of wood first. I would paint the length of wood, and then I would cut it and then give it another sanding to antique it like this. This does have one coat of white interior latex paint, and then I sanded off some of that paint with a piece of sandpaper. It works better than a sanding block for this, although I usually prefer sanding blocks for my hand sanding. So I'm going to have 4 sets of packages here once I get them decorated. Okay, I'm starting to decorate the packages. I am taking the ribbon, cutting it just enough to go around, hot gluing it down, doing the same this way, and then creating a little decoration to glue on top. I created a bow out of the ribbon here, and here I just tied it in a little knot and glued it down and then glued on some things. So that'll be a set, or I suppose people can buy them individually. For this one, I'm just going to make a little simple knot in the middle, and then hot glue it down and fix the ends. This ribbon doesn't tie super easy. It has wire in it. See, I'm just going to make the little knot like that. Move this aside. Got a dollop of glue right there. Set that back down. And then since it has wire, I can make these little ends a little bit curved like that. I also want to put a little dollop of glue right on these 2 edges, just a teensy bit. Kind of keep it in place. And then on the other end, just like that. Get that over there, tap it in. See? Cute. I'll fix this, I'll trim these off. Some big scissors here, just trim that little frayed area off. Same over here. And there we go. Cute, huh? I've got the other 2 done. There's those 2. And then the large one. Got over here. There. Cute, huh? Hope you can see those. Well, all the packages are done. Those just have a simple ribbon. These have a couple ribbons and some bells. These have a ribbon and embellishments. These also have ribbons and embellishments. Super easy, super fun. Grab all of your craft supplies and it won't cost you hardly anything.